Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to export data from HubSpot. Have you ever needed to analyze your data outside of HubSpot or share it with a colleague who doesn't have access to your account? Exporting data from HubSpot is a powerful feature that lets you do just that, allowing for easy data transfer and analysis. In today's guide, we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can confidently export your data whenever you need to. First, let's begin by logging into your HubSpot account. If you're new to HubSpot, you simply need to enter your credentials on the login page to access your account. Once you're in, you'll need to find the specific object you wish to export data from. This could be anything within your CRM, such as contacts, companies, deals, or any other data types you might be working with. It's crucial to identify what data is most relevant to your current task or project to ensure you're exporting the right set of information. Now, once you're in the right section, you'll want to look for the Export button or option. This feature might sometimes be a bit hidden, tucked away in a menu labeled something like Table Actions. If you're having trouble spotting it, make sure to check any available drop-down menus, as the interface is designed to stay clean and user-friendly by keeping some options discreetly placed. Upon finding the Export option, the next step is to decide which specific data points or properties you need to include in your export. HubSpot allows you to customize your export so you can include only the necessary data. This customization is incredibly useful, as it can save you time and help keep your exported data organized and efficient. Think about your project needs and what information is pertinent. For example, if you're analyzing sales data, you might only need customer contact information and purchase history. After selecting the necessary data points, you'll need to decide on your desired file format. HubSpot typically offers formats like CSV or XLSX. If you're looking for simplicity and easy compatibility across different programs, a CSV file is a great choice. On the other hand, if you plan to use Excel's advanced features for data manipulation or in-depth analysis, the XLSX format might be more beneficial. Another key aspect to consider is whether you're exporting from a specific view within your object. If you have a particular view that already filters the data according to your preferences, make sure to select it. This selection can streamline the export process, ensuring the data you export mirrors what you see on your screen. Once you've configured everything to your liking, go ahead and click the Export button or confirm your selections to initiate the export process. HubSpot will then process your request, which should only take a few moments, depending on the size of your dataset. After processing, HubSpot will send a download link to the email address associated with your account, so keep an eye on your inbox. When you receive the email, simply click the link to download your file, and voila, you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully exported data from HubSpot. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to export data from HubSpot. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.